Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com custom dashboards for executive reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Select the dashboard you want to update from your list of existing dashboards. Click on the edit button located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the current components of your dashboard. Identify which sections require updates for better executive reporting. To add a new widget, click on the Add Widget button. Browse through the widget options to find the ones that best suit your reporting needs. After selecting a widget, configure its settings according to the specific metrics you want to display. Link the widget to the relevant boards by selecting them in the widget settings. Customize the display settings of the widget, such as colors, labels, and data ranges. Save your changes to the widget once you are satisfied with the configuration. Repeat the process for any additional widgets you want to add to your dashboard. If existing widgets need adjustments, select them individually and access their settings. Modify the data source, display options, or metric filters as required. Ensure all components of the dashboard align with the key performance indicators relevant to your. Consider the overall layout. Rearranging widgets can improve readability and impact. Once all updates are made, preview the dashboard to ensure everything looks cohesive. If necessary, make final tweaks for best presentation practices. After finalizing adjustments, click the Done button to exit edit mode. Review the dashboard with your team to gather feedback. Implement any further changes based on the feedback received. Once approved, ensure that the dashboard is set to private or shared according to your organization's protocol. Regularly revisit and update the dashboard to keep it aligned with evolving executive needs. Keep documentation handy for future reference on updating processes and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.